If you are a video editor and you also don't get viral templates, icons, and images, you don't know which font will be best for your video. And you also visit various websites to find music sound effects for your video and waste your important time. So here are 3 websites that can help you find fonts, images, videos, background music, sound effects, and fonts. First website is My Font. This is the interface of My Font. On this website, you can paste a screenshot of any font and find out its name. So the first thing to do is click on this icon. Here you can paste the URL of your image and also upload the image. Here we have to set this box to text. And click on this button. Here you can see that this website has given a lot of fonts similar to our image font, along with their names. So this was our first website. I hope this website will be very helpful for you in founding a fonts. Our second website is called Audio. So this is the interface of the Audio website. First, we will have to create an account. As you can see, our account has been created. I will tell you some of his voice. Now we also hear some of his SFX. And here is its playlist section. Here you can easily listen to any type of music. This is truly amazing. There are all kinds of music here. You can download your voice from here. But this website is paid. You can check out its planning. So this was our second website from which you can download the best musics. And our number 3 and last website is Mixkit. This is truly my favorite website. So this is the Mixkit interface. From this website, you can download videos, templates, icons, images, sound effects, music, and it is absolutely free. So let's search for a video. You can see how good quality and realistic the videos are on Mixkit. You can also download it very easily, and it is non-copyrighted. Now we search for music. And you can also download it easily. And now it's the turn of sound effects. You can see how many amazing sound effects there are on it. And we can also download it easily. So this was the pop sound effect. Templates. Here you can see how many amazing templates are available that are created with After Effects. If you are a social media creator, this website could be really great for you. And finally, the icons. You can see how many icons there are here that can take your video to the next level. From here, we can also download the illustration. So that was my video for today. I will give the links to these websites in the description. You can check them out. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel to stay informed so that all my channel updates reach you first. Thank you for watching my video.